Hello everyone. Today we see hydraulic system and basic points of hydraulic system, basic components and introduction of hydraulic. Okay, so shall we start? So what is hydraulic system? So in a hydraulic, in simple word, a hydraulic system we can use working fluid as a oil. So that type of system is known as hydraulic system. Okay. So in figure, all of you see hydraulic system consists of basic components like oil reservoir, oil pump, pressure relief valve, directional control valve, flow control valve, pressure control valve, actuator. Okay, so those are the basic components: oil reservoir, oil pump, pressure relief valve, directional control valve, flow control valve, pressure control valve, and actuator. So hydraulic system consists of oil reservoir, oil pumps, valves, directional control valve, flow control valve, pressure control valve, actuators. Okay, so this is the block diagram of hydraulic system. Next is the basic components of hydraulic system. So in a hydraulic system we can use a oil reservoir. It is a storage tank for oil. It consists of a tank, filter, strainer, baffle, plates and drain plug. Next one is a oil pump. In oil pump, the purpose of pump is to supply a flow of fluid to hydraulic system. Next component is pressure relief valve. Pressure relief valve, it is used to control pressure. If a pressure in a system increases above pressure set level, this valve open to release the fluid out of the system. Next component is directional control valve. In a directional control valve is used to control the direction of flow of working fluid so as to control the directions of motion of actuator. Next component is flow control valve. So flow control valve, it is used to control flow rate of flow of a working fluid so as to control the speed of actuator. Next one is a pressure control valve. Pressure control valve, it is used to maintain the desired pressure level in the various parts of circuit. So next point is the actuator. Actuator, it is used to convert air pressure delivered by air circuit into applied force and motion. So actuator is it is convert to it is used to convert air pressure delivered by air circuit into applied force and motion. So those are the components, basic components of hydraulic system we discuss here. Okay, so next point we discuss pneumatic system. So block diagram of, all of you see the block diagram of pneumatic system. So pneumatic system consists of air compressor, heat exchanger, dryer, FRL unit, directional control valve, flow control valve, pressure control valve and actuators. So this type of system is a pneumatic system. So this is a block diagram of pneumatic system. So one by one we discuss basic components of pneumatic system. So components of pneumatic system is, first one is air compressor. So air compressor, it is a machine which increase the pressure of air by reducing its volume. Next one is a heat exchanger. It is a device that transfer heat through a conducting wall from one fluid to another. Next is the air dryer. So what is air dryer? It is a moisture separator which removes moisture from the compressed air before it is fed to air receiver tank. Next component of pneumatic system is FRL unit. F means filter, R regulator and lubricator, L means lubricator. Next is the air filter. So air filter, it separates solid contaminants from compressed air and it supplies clean air to pneumatic system. Next one is the air regulator. It maintains constant pressure in the system. Air lubricator, it reduces the friction between internal moving parts of the system. Okay, so those are the basic components of a pneumatic system we discuss here. So next point, is a comparison between hydraulic and pneumatic system. Okay, so basic difference between hydraulic and pneumatic system. So one by one we discuss. In a hydraulic system, resistance to fluctuating load. In pneumatic system, non-resistance to fluctuating load. In a hydraulic system, speed is limited. In pneumatic system, very high speed. In a hydraulic system, cavitation arises. In a pneumatic system, cavitation does not arise. In a hydraulic system rigidity is good. In a pneumatic system rigidity is not good. Hydraulic system, weight to pressure ratio is low. In a pneumatic system, weight to pressure ratio is high. And last comparison is hydraulic system low operating cost and in pneumatic system high operating cost. Okay, so this is the main basic difference between comparison between hydraulic and pneumatic system we discuss. Okay, we discussing here. So this is the main difference between hydraulic and pneumatic system.